Introducing this beautiful 2010 Honda Odyssey EX Conversion van. Offering a Rolex side entry automatic ramp and kneel system. This vehicle features a 3.5-liter V6 engine and around 75,000 miles. With the touch of a button, your sliding door, ramp, and kneeling system are automatically stowed and deployed. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2010 Honda Odyssey EX Conversion van. Call AutoMobility store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.